Hey there, healthy, wealthy family. Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the latest health and fitness tips to keep you feeling your best. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us are curious about: cellulite. What is it, why do we get it, and most importantly, how can we reduce it? Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is cellulite? Cellulite is the dimpled appearance of the skin that commonly occurs on the thighs, buttocks, and sometimes the stomach. It's caused by fat deposits that push through the connective tissue beneath the skin. This gives the skin a lumpy, dimpled look. Now you might be wondering, why do we get cellulite? There are several factors at play. 1. Genetics. Your genes can determine your skin structure, body type, and even how fat is distributed in your body. 2. Lifestyle. Lack of physical activity, poor diet, and dehydration can all contribute to the development of cellulite. 3. Hormones. Hormones like estrogen play a significant role in the formation of cellulite. That's why it's more common in women than men. 4. Age. As we age, our skin loses elasticity, making cellulite more noticeable. So what can we do to reduce cellulite? While there's no magic cure, there are several strategies that can help minimize its appearance. Let's break it down. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help reduce body fat. Foods high in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens can also improve skin health. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain healthy skin and flushes out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming can help burn fat. Strength training, especially exercises targeting the legs and buttocks, can also tone muscles and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Using creams and lotions that contain caffeine or retinol can temporarily tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Dry brushing before showering can also stimulate blood flow and improve skin texture. Regular massages can help improve circulation and lymphatic drainage, which may reduce the appearance of cellulite. Remember, having cellulite is completely normal, and most people have it to some extent. The key is to maintain a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper skincare. By taking these steps, you can reduce the appearance of cellulite and improve your overall health. Thanks for watching, Healthy Wealthy family. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite tips for reducing cellulite. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay wealthy.